Welcome to Easy English Talk with Thon.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk with Thon, where learning English is fun, simple, and natural. I'm Thon.
And I'm Danny, your co-host. Hello to all our amazing listeners from around the world. We are so happy you're joining us today.
I feel fantastic today, Danny. The sun is shining, I have my favorite ginger tea, and I can hear the birds outside. It's one of those mornings where everything feels perfect.
That does sound perfect, Thon. I'm starting my day with fresh orange juice. No coffee for me today. I'm trying to drink more water and juice lately. Small steps, right?
Absolutely. Little habits like that can really make a difference. Speaking of habits, do you know there's a phrase in English, healthy habits make a healthy mind?
I love that. I think I need to write that on my wall.
Definitely. Okay, Danny, today we're talking about something everyone loves and everyone talks about.
The weekend. The magical 2 days we all wait for.
Yes. So, Danny, how was your weekend? Did anything fun or interesting happen?
Well, it was very relaxing, Thon. On Saturday, I went to a quiet village by the river. There's something about water and fresh air that makes you forget all your stress.
That sounds amazing. Did you go alone or with someone?
I went with my brother, Liam. We left early in the morning so we could enjoy the day fully.
I love early trips. There's something magical about being on the road while everyone else is still sleeping.
Yes, the sunrise, the quiet streets, but something funny happened on the way.
Oh, I love stories like this. What happened?
Well, we were on the bus, I was reading a book, and suddenly the bus slowed down and stopped in the middle of a field, not a bus stop, just a field.
Oh no, that sounds scary at first.
I thought so too, but then the driver came on the microphone and said, "Sorry everyone, we have a few sheep on the road. Please wait."
Sheep on the road? That's hilarious.
Yes, there were about 8 sheep just wandering around. They didn't care about the bus at all. I laughed so much.
That's one of those moments you'll never forget. There's a fun phrase in English, stop and smell the roses. It means take a moment to enjoy life. I think you were literally stopping to watch the sheep.
Exactly. I felt very peaceful and it made me smile. Eventually, the sheep moved and we continued our journey.
That sounds like a perfect start to a weekend adventure. Did you enjoy the village?
Oh, yes. The streets were narrow with little colorful houses and shops. My favorite was a tiny antique store filled with old books and postcards. I spent hours just smelling the pages.
That is magical. There's a word for that smell, musty or antique smell. It makes you feel like you're stepping back in time.
Yes, and I bought a book about painting landscapes. I want to practice painting this summer. Then we had lunch at a small riverside cafe. I had vegetable pasta and fresh bread. Simple but amazing.
That's a perfect Saturday. And Sunday?
Sunday was much quieter. I stayed home, watered my plants, and listened to relaxing music. I even stayed in pajamas until 10 a.m. I love slow Sundays.
Slow Sundays are the best. It's like a mini vacation every week. Listeners, here's a tip. You can say lazy Sunday or chill Sunday to describe a relaxed day at home.
Great tip, Thon. Now, how about you? How was your weekend?
Mine was more adventurous. On Saturday morning, I went jogging in the park. I ran 6 kilometers. The wind was strong, but I felt amazing afterwards.
Wow, that's impressive. English learners, here's a useful expression. I felt amazing or energized or refreshed. You can use this to describe how you feel after doing something good.
Exactly. After that, I visited a flea market. I love browsing old things. It's like searching for hidden treasures.
Sometimes you really do find treasures.
Yes, I met an old man selling antique clocks, small tools and trinkets. But in the corner, there was an old violin. It looked dusty but beautiful.
A violin? Can you play it?
Just a little. The man said it belonged to his grandfather and hoped someone would care for it. I couldn't resist. I bought it and spent the afternoon cleaning and tuning it.
That's amazing. Sometimes objects carry stories, not just memories. There's a phrase, every object has a story.
Exactly. Then on Sunday, I visited my family. My parents, my sister, and my little cousin Alex were there. We had a big lunch.
Family lunches are the best. What did you eat?
My mom made lasagna, and we finished with a 3-layer strawberry cake. Alex played soccer in the backyard, and I tried keeping up. It was exhausting, but fun.
Sounds perfect. Food, family, and fun.
Exactly. I think the key to a good weekend is balance. One day for adventure, one day for rest.
That's so true. And listeners, you can try saying, I spent my weekend relaxing, or I spent my weekend doing something adventurous. Both are correct and useful.
Oh, I just realized something. Both our weekends included food highlights. I had cake and you had pasta.
Food really is part of life. It's okay to treat yourself.
Absolutely. And now we'd like to ask our listeners some questions. What did you do last weekend? Who were you with? Family, friends, or pets? And what are your plans for next weekend?
Write your answers in English. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try to tell your story.
For next weekend, I'm helping a friend move apartments on Saturday. Hard work, but pizza is promised for dinner. Sunday, I'll practice my new violin.
And I'm visiting an art exhibition with my friend Mia. It's about wildlife photography. Then we'll go to a new Thai restaurant.
Small plans or big plans, it doesn't matter. Even reading a book or going for a walk can make your weekend special.
That's a beautiful lesson. You don't need expensive trips to enjoy life.
Well said. Let's do a quick recap for our listeners. Danny went to the village, met sheep, bought a painting book, and had delicious pasta. I went jogging, found a violin, and enjoyed a family lunch with cake.
Next weekend, I have art and Thai food, and Thon has moving boxes and violin practice.
Listeners, we hope you enjoyed today's chat. Comment below with your weekend stories.
And remember to like this video, subscribe to Easy English Talk with Thon, and share it with friends who are learning English.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Please subscribe. Join Easy English Talk with Thon now.